Hey guys, so today's video I'm just gonna play Subway Surfers. So today I literally downloaded an app called Subway Surfers. So this is the app, and it's kind of fun, but yeah. So I'm just gonna be playing this game because I don't really like the videos about Roblox. Yeah, I do, but not that much because I don't really come up with videos. I just like do some videos. So I'm just gonna be playing it. I hope you guys enjoyed. So let's go ahead. And today's video I'm having headphones on, so you're not gonna able to hear hear it because I have headphones on, so it's not gonna work. So come on, just back up. I don't need this. So yeah, let's go ahead and play it. So yeah. And the game is very fun because I wanted to include this video. I wanted to include this video because I don't know. Because I had nothing to do. I didn't wanted to always listen to songs 24/7. So yeah. But actually this game is for kids, I don't know. A My little sister's name starts from A. Na 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 na. E? No, she doesn't have an E in her name. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna be taking this. Wow, so because of that it makes you dizzy. What? Wow, I wanna fly in real life, but it's kinda dangerous. It's risky flying in real life because you may just lost your balance and you're just gonna fall down and lose your life. Nah, 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 nah. So this video I won't need to edit it because I'm talking with my voice, so it won't need to be edited. So I will just try as much to get some. Thanks a lot. No. So yeah, magnet. Yes. Now I don't need to take the coins. I can just take them. No. Ah. Oh my gosh, guys! I thought I was gonna die. Oh my god, I'm not kidding you, guys. I thought I was gonna die. Who else thought I was gonna die? If you thought I was gonna die, just raise up your. Just comment in the video because I don't see if you're raising up your hand. No, I'm so scared being there. I shouldn't have taken this star because it makes it faster and harder. No. What? I always think I'm dying. Oh my god, I thought I'm gonna die. Like, why you think you're gonna die in this game? You don't die. And you're just like gonna leave your device and say, okay, I don't care, I'm already gonna die. But you notice that you wouldn't have died. Sorry if you don't understand me. I don't even know what I'm saying. Hope you can get at least 500. Back off. You see what you've done? Yeah, we get over 500. It's close to 1,000. Between 1,000. At least it's bigger than a half. What am I doing? Lily was a little girl. Never mind, I don't know what I'm doing. No, wait, yes. Never mind. Butter, dear. Okay. Psych. Psych, psych. Psych, psych. 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 Oh my god. No, no. I'm so scared. I can't do this. I'm like jumping so high. Oh my god, this is so scary. This game is so scary. This is a scary game. And why am I jumping so high? I don't even have jumping boots. What? Ow. No, wait. No, no, no. Wait. Wait, wait, wait. I can... Oh my god. I can watch free. Oh my god. Oh my god. Then... I won't need to start from the beginning. No way. Yes, 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 yes. I hope that this is true. Oh my god. Yes. Now I can literally hit 1,000. Oh my god. And I even got this. This game is so cool. I got this stuff. Oh my god. Yeah, boy, yeah, boy, 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 yeah, boy, boy, yeah, boy, yeah, boy, boy, yeah, boy. But it's kind of. Okay. Oh my god, I can watch this again. Oh my god, this is so cool. I don't know WhatsApp because I already have it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Finally, I hate adverts. They always come 24/7. Like, are you kidding me? We don't need you. Oh. What is your favorite subject? You mustn't answer. I don't even know why I'm asking. Mine is mathematics. Mathematics is like the best subject ever. Oh my gosh! I'm so lucky I had skateboard. No, no. What? Oh my god, I can watch again. This is the best game ever, but not better than Roblox. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is a very nice game. Yes! So just come on, let's just play this and I'm just gonna do well. Wow, look at how high I can jump, but I can't jump high to the sky. Are you kidding me? Okay, I think this is the last chance I'm having. After this, I'm dead forever until I start from the beginning. Yeah, okay, let's just cancel this. Magnets I can already easily take. So this time I really need to be careful, but it's so kinda hard because it's so fast. No! What? Oh my god! I think they're so nice to me because I'm new to this game. I just installed it right now. But actually, I've played this game for long times ago. But after so much months, I haven't played, so I just installed it today. So I can play it when any sign. Oh my god! Now I need to be careful. No way! Oh my god! I'm just so lucky. Like, I'm just so lucky. I have so many chances. I thought that, like, that was the last chance, but I literally have so many chances. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I swear to god, if I have another chance, then this game is so nice. Wait. I think this is the last chance. Oh my god! No, no. Why did I take this? It's so risky to have it. No, 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 no. I can't wait to this go. It's so risky to... Yes. Yes! Oh my god, what is that? I guess it's something like a gift inside it. No, I took the star. No, everything is gonna be so fast like hell. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I can't do this. Maybe I can. Maybe. Yes! Brr, 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 grrr, 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 grrr. I can't do. Grrr. What? I was good at doing this before. Grrr. Oh my god. Grrr. Car driving. Another thing. You know, you shouldn't just jump 24/7 with this. Oh my god. No, no. No, I took it. I took the star. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh, please, please, please. No way. I don't have no more chance. I don't have any chance again. You see what your cost? It's all the stuff fault. At least I got this. Ooh. Wow, that's cool. Another one? Yes! Another one! Oh my gosh. Yeah, baby.